Hold on.
I can reel that in if you want to.
Well, I want you to do what you're doing.
Dude, I have got the net out as well.
Well, when you get closer,
You got a fish, boss.
Jesus.
you got the fish on, baby.
Okay.
Woohoo!
All right. Very good.
I'm going to stand right back here in the corner.
Whoa.
Yeah. Good one.
It's
Put some jelly jelly on that one.
cod for dinner tonight.
Oh!
I can't.
That son of a bitch! Bring him over. Oh my God, dude!
Dude!
Oh my God!
Yeah! That's a fish!
Oh,
Oh, right on!
oh,
Nice!
tonight.